Ever wondered how to create a YouTube account? Today is your lucky day. Let's start by opening your web browser and typing in www.youtube.com. You have now successfully opened YouTube. Let's move on to the next step. After opening YouTube, you'll notice a Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. This button is your gateway to access your personal YouTube account. To proceed, all you need to do is to click it. Just one click. It's as easy as pie. You've done it. Great job. You've clicked the Sign In button. Let's proceed further. Now you're on the Google Sign In page. This is where you'll enter your Google account credentials, that is, your email address and password. Let's walk through it together. First, type in your email address in the provided field. Once you've done that, look for the button labeled Next and click it. Now, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take your time and enter it carefully. When you're ready, click Next again. You've successfully entered your Google account information. If everything is correct, you should now be signed into your account. But what if you don't have a Google account? No worries at all. Our next step will guide you through the process of creating your very own Google account. So, stay tuned and let's keep moving forward. You've successfully signed in with your Google account. If you don't have one, don't worry. Our next step is for you. If you don't have a Google account, creating one is simple. Start by looking for the Create Account link just below the sign-in form you see on your screen. Clicking on this link will lead you to the form where you'll begin the process of creating your Google account. You'll first be asked to provide some basic information. This includes your first and last name. Remember to use your real name to make it easier for friends or family to find and connect with you on Google's various services. Next, you'll need to create a unique username which will also serve as your new email address. This is where you get to be a little creative. Try to pick something that represents you, but also remember that it should be easy to remember. Your username will end with edgemail.com, which is the domain for Google's email service. Once you've selected a username, you'll be prompted to create a password. Your password is your first line of defense against hackers and unauthorized access, so be sure to choose something strong and secure. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And of course, keep it confidential. After you've confirmed your password, you'll be asked to provide a recovery email address and a phone number. These are important security measures that can help you regain access to your account if you ever forget your password or if your account is compromised. The final step in creating your Google account involves agreeing to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read these thoroughly so that you understand how Google will handle your data and what your responsibilities are as a user. Once you've filled out all the required fields and agreed to the terms, click on the Next button. You'll be taken to a verification page where Google will send a code to your phone number for you to confirm that it's really you creating the account. Enter the verification code, hit Verify, and you've now created your Google account. You're halfway there. Now let's talk about two-step verification and staying signed in. Two-step verification is a security feature that can be enabled for your Google account. It adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code, usually sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Handy, right? Now if you're using your own device and don't want to go through the sign-in process each time, you can opt to stay signed in. Just look for the Stay Signed In box and check it. Remember though, only do this on private devices to keep your account secure. You've now enabled two-step verification and chosen to stay signed in. You're almost there. Finally, let's learn how to access your new YouTube account. Once signed in, navigating your account is easy. To access your subscriptions, simply click on Subscriptions on the left panel. Your playlists and watch history are also on this panel. For personalized recommendations, check out the Home tab. It's tailored just for you, based on your viewing habits. And there you have it, folks. Congratulations. You now know how to create and access your YouTube account. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We opened YouTube, clicked Sign In, navigated Google's Sign In or account creation process. We've covered two-step verification and staying signed in. Finally, we accessed your new account. And that's it. You've learned how to create a YouTube account. Now go on and explore the world of YouTube.